My name is Elvira Rizqi Pratiwi. My student ID is 12620620203 and 6. Okay, today in this video, I want to tell you about a story. This story title is Nasihat, Burung, Kenari. This is written by Yudhistira Ikanegara and this is illustrated by Lingkar Media. In this book have two languages. First, Indonesian language and English language. Let's get started. In this afternoon, Marpati was reading a book, but in fact her eyes were tired. Ari, canary bird, which was diligently reminding his friend over to Dara. If you're sleepy, don't force to read. Her advice. After giving advice to the dove, Ari passed Mr. Owl's house. He was surprised when seeing Mr. Owl was about to follow. I think you need to take a rest, Mr. Owl, sighed Ari. When Ari was talking to Mr. Owl, suddenly a fierce bird named Kuti came to him. You don't need to advise everyone. They know how to take care of their eyes, said Kuti curtly. Ari kept doing his habit to remind his friend about taking care of eyes. However, in one morning, Ari was really surprised when he met Kuti. He saw that Kuti's eyes were red and watery. My eyes are sore, Kuti moaned. Ari looked at Kuti's eyes and sighed. I think your eyes are red because of dust. Do you really bad, Kuti? Yes, I really bad, Kuti replied shyly. If so, you should see Dr. Stork soon, sighed Ari. Then, Kuti went to see Dr. Stork. What can I do for you? Asked Dr. Stork when he met Kuti. My eyes are sore and watery, Kuti said. Your eyes are indeed red and dusty. It might be because you don't maintain your personal hygiene. Here, I give you the medicine, said Dr. Stork. After put some eye drops into Kuti's eyes, Dr. Stork said, You must take care of your eyes, Kuti. Okay, Dr. Stork, thank you, said Kuti before she went back home. You're welcome, be careful, answered Dr. Stork. Afterwards, Kuti really wanted to meet Ari to say thanks. Okay, this last part of this story. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Bye-bye.